Let's make French macarons together. Today we're using the French method, which simply means we're starting with a French meringue. To make a French meringue, start by adding your egg whites to a mixing bowl fitted with the whisk attachment and mixing on low speed. Whisk until your egg whites become frothy. This should take about 2 minutes. Once they're nice and frothy, add about half of your granulated sugar. Mix for about 2 minutes and add the remaining sugar. Once all of your sugar is added, turn up your mixer to a medium-high and allow your meringue to come together. We're looking for a nice glossy meringue with stiff peaks. This should take about 6 to 8 minutes, but keep an eye on it because every mixer is different. You'll know your meringue is done when it clumps in the whisk like this. Now it's time to add our dry ingredients. Sift your almond flour and powdered sugar into your mixing bowl using a whisk to help get it through the sieve, but don't force it through. Any large clumps of dry ingredients like this need to be discarded. You don't want these in your final batter. Begin folding your dry ingredients into your meringue. You'll want to fold just until you see no dry ingredients remaining. For this video, I'm separating my batter into 2 bowls to make 2 separate colors. But if this is your first time making macarons, I recommend making only 1 color and not splitting your batter. Using Master Elites to color macarons is one of my favorite ways to show just how powerful these colors are. Here I'm only using 1/32 of a teaspoon. Master Elites are activated by moisture, and the moisture in our meringue is going to activate these colors beautifully. This technique of folding will deflate some, but not all of the air from your meringue. This is called your macaronage. Fold around the sides and through the middle, and repeat this process. Pay close attention to your batter as you fold. It will start to become very shiny and flow like honey. Once it ribbons off your spatula like this and settles back into itself, you're done. Stop folding. To pipe your macarons, gently squeeze your piping bag and release pressure. Do a quick flick of the wrist in a circular motion to minimize any peaks left behind. This will help the appearance of your macarons. Once you've piped your whole tray, give your baking tray a few taps to release any air bubbles. Here's another look at piping macarons. You'll want to keep your bag completely perpendicular to your tray. If you pipe at an angle, you'll end up with lopsided macarons. Set your macarons aside to rest and form a skin. Bake in a 300-degree oven for 16 to 18 minutes and you've got perfect shells ready to fill. I'm filling mine with vanilla bean Swiss meringue buttercream, but the possibilities are endless. You can use jams or ganache or any other type of buttercream. Continue filling and sandwiching your macarons together. And that's it. You're officially a French macaron master. If you make these French macarons, be sure to tag us in your pictures and videos and let us know what you filled yours with. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for being Team Sugar Art.